Hello, this video is a brief introduction to Blackboard Collaborate. Blackboard Collaborate is a virtual conferencing tool that is available to us at Triton College and is integrated with the Blackboard system. In the previous video, I showed you how to insert a tool link into your course. If you do not have a Blackboard Collaborate tool link, and it can be named whatever you chose, as you remember in the last video, please exit this video and enter the insert Blackboard Collaborate tool link into your Blackboard course video before proceeding. So now let's get started with Blackboard Collaborate. First of all, we're going to click on the Blackboard Collaborate link. Here you will see a screen with a lot of different information, some of which we're going to talk about in additional videos. But we're going to start, first of all, this is simply joining the room. You're going to get most likely a pop-up about accessing your microphone. So click Allow. And then the next step with your audio is you can opt to share your audio. Click on this. It's in the bottom center of your screen. So click on that. And then if you choose to do so, if you want to share your video, click on this option. And you're going to get that pop-up as well about allowing access to your camera. So click Allow up at the top. Most likely it'll be in the top kind of center left of your screen. Okay, there I am. Hello, everybody. So share video. And as you see, screencast cut me off a little bit, but you will see yourself in the bottom left corner of your screen, at least in the bottom corner of your screen in some form, quite tiny. Your friends on the other end of the line are going to see you in a bigger form in the middle of your screen. Okay, so now let's talk about some of the tools available within Blackboard Collaborate. On the left-hand side, if you're an instructor, you will see a tool for Start Recording. I'm not going to click on this button, but it's as simple as pushing that, and you'll have a red dot saying Recording. And when that is recording, everything that's going on in the session is saved into a video file. Down here, I'm not going to click on this right now, but this is where you leave the session. So this is great to actually close out officially the session as opposed to just closing the browser, which can cause some issues. As far as the recording, when the recording happens, you don't have to do anything else. The recording will present itself in your course. And I will show that in a later video. I'm going to close this menu. Don't leave the session, but close with the X, close out the session menu. So now I'm going to look at this bottom right Collaborate panel. So you click on the arrow. It's like a purple double arrow, little kind of a tab. And here you have a number of different features. If you're doing a session in which you are discussing items, this can be handy. Let's say somebody wants to join the session and doesn't want to use a mic. It's too loud. Let's say they're in a public space. You can actually instead type information. And this is what will happen. Push enter. It'll pop up. You will see that that I'm here, and it says hello everyone to everyone. Next to that, you will see the attendees. You can click on that, just me. But if you have a bunch of people, you'll have a number of names listed. Should walk back a little bit. This is about settings. If you do have issues with your camera and microphone, you can click on this link. And then again, this idea, if your mic isn't working, let's say you just cannot get your mic to work, but you really need to be heard in a conference or a group meeting, you can dial in with a landline and type in the PIN, and your voice will be heard. You can also use speaker volume, leave that 100%. And you can do notification settings. This is about knowing when people have come and gone into your session. So you can see you'll get audio or pop-ups. You can choose those settings. I'm not sure how important these are in this environment. We are currently in, but they are there. Then the next item is session settings. From this, you have this list that say participants can share audio, share video, post chat messages, and draw on whiteboard and files. The default setting is that everybody that comes on board into the Blackboard's Collaborate space is allowed to do any of those things. If you'd like to turn certain items off, like let's say you don't want them to draw on the whiteboard and files or share their video or share their audio, you can select to have that turned off. So I'm going to hit this X here. We're back to the screen. So this is the basics. If you're needing to do a virtual conference with your students where they want to talk to you and you want to see your face, this is a great tool to use. A lot of different options as well that we're going to talk about in later videos. But I hope this makes it clear how you get into Blackboard and Blackboard Collaborate and set up the different tools. Thank you.